like the first time you rubbed the nose of Jonathan the Husky. Today is one of those Yukon First days that belongs to all of us.
We've shared dreams under open skies. We've loved far and we've traveled wide. But the best is yet to come.
This experience that binds us together will no doubt impact our purpose and our passion for the rest of our years. What I want to say to the graduates, especially now, after what we've gone through as a country, is embrace your uniqueness and consider it your superpower.
Danced out late in the pouring rain. Never lost hope, never lost the flame. And the best is yet to come. We've waited long enough by now. We've got a song and we should sing it out.
Long after the credits have rolled and the pages have turned on our Yukon story, we remain Huskies, and will stay Huskies forever.
The world is ours.